Hi everyone! So today we're going to learn how to solve quadratic equations using factoring. So to do this, we will deal with two equations, and that would be x squared plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0 and x squared minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. So first, let's work with x squared plus 6x plus 8. The first step would be to identify the possible factors of 8. So if we try that one, the possible factors of 8 would be 8 and 1, and the other possible factors will be 4 and 2. And now what we have to look at is the middle term. So here we can see that the middle term is plus 6. So that means that the values of our roots when added should be equal to plus 6. Factors of 8 that we can use in this equation are 4 and 2. So that would be x plus 4 and x plus 2. Now to get the roots, we would do the equating to 0 part. So that would be x plus 1 plus 4, x sub 1 rather, plus 4 equal to 0. Minus 4 on both sides, and that will give us the value of the first root, which is negative 4. And then the other one would be x sub 2 plus 2 equal to 0. And now we subtract negative 2 from both sides of the equation, and that will give us x sub 2 equal to negative 2. So that means the roots of this equation are negative 4 and negative 2. Now with x squared minus 2x minus 15. First, we have to identify the factors of 15, and that would be either 15 and 1 or 3 and 5. As we can see, 15 here is negative, so that means that our factors should differ in sign. So what we're trying to get at is negative 2, so that means that the sum of these two would be equal to negative 2. So negative 3 plus 5 is positive 2, so that won't be the factors. Then 3 minus 5 would result to negative 2, so that means that will be the factors. Now let's get our factors, which are x plus 3 and x minus 5 equal to 0. And now let's equate these factors to 0. So x sub 1 plus 3 equal to 0. So subtracting 3 from both sides of the equation, that will give us x sub 1 equal to negative 3. And then x sub 2 minus 5 equal to 0. So we should add plus 5 to both sides to isolate x, and that will give us the value of x sub 2, which is equal to 5.